Sure. Good morning, everyone. My name is Natalia, and I want to talk about the smelly problem that we have in Akureyri. As you know, probably in Iceland, we are using, we citizens are using a high amount of water. So we are creating a big amount of wastewater per day that finally goes to the sea. This not only comes from citizens, as Ron says, it comes also from the industry that is normally more polluted, and also from the tourists that we have every year coming to this country. And the population is increasing, no? So the wastewater affects bird life, affects whale watching, affects fishing, that, as you all know, is a big industry, the main industry of Iceland, together with tourism that is affected by the other three, the coastal and marine habitats, the bird life, and the whale watching. However, as Ron told, there was a new wastewater treatment plant that was opened in Akureyri in summer 2020. And this is the whole treatment that it can be done for water. As Ron says, there are like three parts, no? So there are, well, actually there are four pre-treatment, then primary, secondary, and tertiary. And nowadays what we have is the filtering, so it's a pre-treatment. All this puts Iceland in a lower sewage ratio than other European countries in general. Here I just compare it with other Northern European countries, and this is Iceland. For that reason, we create this survey wastewater treatment. Just to told you about it briefly, it was a student-initiated project by the Environmental Council of UNEC. And the target was to increase awareness and also to bring the survey results to stakeholders to try to change something and to improve this wastewater treatment. It was open in January, and since then we have had 350 participants, which I think is a good start because it's 1.5% of the population of Iceland, of Akureyri, and 69% of them were not aware that the standards of the Icelandic law is lower than the rest of Europe, and 62% of them didn't know that the Akureyri's sewage treatment consists on filtering. This is according to the law, but the problem of the law of the Icelandic law is that it declares the ocean as a non-sensitive receptor, when the studies are saying completely the opposite, and also in the Nordic areas next to the polar, we are seeing that it's more sensitive, the habitat here. So we see that the problems can be far from in other areas in the world. 96% of the participants consider that it should be improved, this wastewater treatment, and 90% of them would like to change the law and then do everything more like according to the European standards. We, the Environmental Council, has been contacting stakeholders, politicians, and media for sharing the thoughts of the participants of this survey. And also one thing that surprised me quite a lot is that we received 65 responses from the participants. So it's a huge amount of the participants that we have. And the main part of them, they were surprised by this, by this information. They also were like asking to change things. They were concerned about their health and the nature here in Akureyri, so they were really aiming to have a better wastewater treatment. Some people ask us how can they help meanwhile, while we are trying to change this. So please, if you haven't make the survey, please participate and share it with your friends, talk about this, put this topic on your surrounding people. As Ron says, please remember the rule of the 3 Ps, and remember that destroying the sea means destroying fishing. That is a huge economy here in Iceland, and that a lot of people, a lot of families are living from the fishing. Thank you for watching, and we also wanted to tell you that we are working in a national survey, so stay tuned because we hope it will be done soon. Thank you very much.